Limestone floor cleaning New Malden by Fabritec Tile Cleaning. This limestone floor in New Malden was in serious need of attention. Years of foot traffic and improper cleaning left it dull, scratched, and stained. The homeowners called Fabritec Tile Cleaning to bring it back to life. First, the team inspected the floor, identifying areas of lost sealer, scratches and a number of etch marks. They applied a sealer remover and cleaner to remove the existing, damaged sealer and soil. They smoothed out scratches and etching with diamond polishing pads. Finally, they applied a high-quality topical sealer, ensuring the limestone was protected for years to come.
We were amazed at the difference after Fabritec finished with our limestone floors. They've been looking tired and dull for years, but after the cleaning and sealing, they look brand new. The team was super friendly and took the time to explain each step. We're so happy with the results.
We advised the homeowners on the best cleaning routine, including the right cleaner, to keep their limestone floor looking stunning for years to come. If you need help with your limestone floor, contact Fabritec Tile Cleaning on 01372 664 337 or visit our website, tilecleaningsurrey.co.uk. We'll be happy to help.